Hi, this is Wigakado. Today, I chose these two famous curly chairs to show you how to model a curve shape on Nomad Sculpt. Alright, let's start with an easy one. First, I set the chair image on the background for the reference. Then, I draw the chair's curve shape by using tube. As I want the tube from round to square, I change the tube's division X from 30 to 4. To make the curve smooth, I increase more division on Y. After I fine-tune the points, the basic shape is done. I duplicate the shape and put it right next to the previous one. Then, I resize the width to a bigger piece. One of the most significant issues for 3D is calculate faces. You need to maintain appropriate faces in a clever way. Otherwise, your machine will be very slow or even crash and you will lose your works. In this example, I need to duplicate a bunch of cylinders to cut off those little holes. Because these are very small holes, the details will never be shown on the chair scale. So, I decrease the cylinders' faces from the very beginning. Remember, this is only the first trunk. I also need to duplicate more trunks later on. If I don't do that, I will definitely crash many times. Alright, let's make another chair. A similar way to draw the shape of a chair and make the tube from round to square. But this time, I am going to cut through the model. I resize the width and remesh it to a low topology. Before I cut it, I uncheck the fill hole selection which can make the cut hollow. I use this method to cut it like a piece of paper. Now, I use mask to cover the area and blur it a couple of times. This will make the edges not create sharp edges when I move it. Then, I just move and rotate the shape that I want to match the chair shape. I also cut out the curve shape on the top. Then, I mirror the other half and refine the shape by using smooth and move. This paper shape is a template for the chair. I just simply mask the whole template and emboss it to give the chair thickness. And I use tube again for the edges around the chair. I adjust the radius of each point to match the design. I merge the tube and chair all together and smooth it all. Finally, I subdivide it for a better resolution. Now, you have it. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this topic, please consider to subscribe for more related videos. Alright, I will see you in the next video.